Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to share a critical issue that affects the future of our nation, stunting. Stunting remains a major public health challenge in Indonesia. Although prevalence declined from 21.6% in 2023 to 19.8% in 2024, it still falls short of national target indicating that current interventions are not yet sufficient. Stunting reflects chronic undernutrition, recurrent infection, and inadequate nutrition during the first 1,000 days of life. My name is Muhammad Alif Muzaffar, a nutrition science student from Universitas Jember, and it's an honor to stand here as a candidate for Mahasiswa Berprestasi. Stunting has lifelong impacts on cognitive development, community, and productivity, ultimately affecting national growth. Therefore, its prevention is not only a health priority but also an investment in Indonesia's future. A major underlying cause is macronutrient deficiency, with many children lacking essential nutrients such as iron, zinc, calcium, vitamin A, and vitamin D, key elements for growth, immunity, and brain development. This shows that improving nutritional quality is as important as ensuring food availability. In this regard, optimizing local food resources like fish is slightly promising strategy. As the nutrition country in aquatic biodiversity, Indonesia has abundant, affordable, and culturally accepted fish, making it a strategic resource to sustainably improve child nutrition. From a nutritional perspective, fish is one of the most nutrient-dense food available. It provides high-quality protein with complete essential amino acids that are vital for tissue growth, enzyme production, and immune function. More importantly, fish contain a wide range of micronutrients that directly address the root causes of stunting. Fish is a rich source of iron and zinc, which support growth, immunity, and overall health. Small fish, eaten with their bones, provide calcium for bone and linear development. Additionally, fish contain vitamin A and vitamin D for immune and bone health, as well as omega-3 fatty acids like DHA, which is essential for brain development and cognitive function in early childhood. Despite this nutrient intensity, the main challenge is not only the availability of fish, but also how these nutrients can be delivered effectively to children in forms that are practical, safe, and acceptable for daily consumption. This is where innovation becomes essential. Through my initiative, I promote the development of local fish-based nutrition innovation. By transforming locally available fish into nutrient-dense complementary food products that are affordable, practical, and child-friendly. These products is designed to improve dietary quality and support optimal growth during the first 1,000 days of life. Processing fish into convenient forms such as powdered supplements or fortified complementary foods can improve nutrient intake without changing children's eating habit, making intervention more practical and sustainable at the household level. Beyond nutrition, this approach also promotes community empowerment. Training mothers and healthcare to process local fish using simple technology can strengthen food security, create economic opportunities, and encourage the use of local food sources, while simultaneously addressing the root causes of stunting like malnutrition and dietary deficiency. Preventing stunting through local fish-based nutrition is not just a short-term intervention, it is a long-term investment in human capital development. Being selected as a mahasiswa berprestasi is not merely an achievement for me. It is a responsibility to become a problem solver, an innovator, and a future leader who contributes to national development. I am committed to continue research, innovation, and community engagement to promote sustainable nutrition strategies that utilize local food resources to improve the quality of life for Indonesian children. Because I believe that the strength for a nation begins with the health of the children. In conclusion, preventing stunting requires collaboration, innovation, and the optimal utilization of local resources. By empowering communities to utilize local food resources, we can create sustainable solutions to improve growth, strengthen resilience, and build a healthier generation. Together, we can transform local resources into national strength. Together, we can build healthier, smarter, and more productive Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.